Rad's here from Independent Catering with my daughter,
Kayra.
which you most likely seen in the other videos that we make. And today we're making a pizza, something very easy, very simple. Instead of using pizza dough, we're gonna use puff pastry, which we've got here. And Kayra is gonna be telling us the ingredients. What are we using today, Kayra?
Some salami.
Salami,
And
tomato puree,
tomato puree. And some tomatoes.
some tomatoes. We got, what we got here? Egg yolk,
Egg yolk. Some garlic. Some onion. And this is
oregano,
oregano.
some
Cheese.
cheese,
Some
salt,
salt. And some pepper. Some mustard.
mhm,
And some sugar.
and some
And
ketchup. Well done. So first of all, we're gonna make our pizza sauce. Once we made our pizza sauce, we start making it, and we're gonna show you guys how we do it. So first of all, we're gonna get some tomato puree in a bowl.
Can I do it?
Okay, and a bit more. Squeeze it a little bit. Here we go. That's roughly around 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Yeah?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do a nice, let's shake it first, a nice squeeze of mustard in there. Yep. Okay. Some ketchup. What? You like ketchup, don't you? Okay, that's enough. And then we're gonna put some pepper. Oh, turn off. There we go. A little bit of salt. No, turn it upside down. Bit of salt. One spoon of sugar. Okay. And then we're gonna sprinkle some oregano in there. Okay, it's enough, it's enough, it's enough. We're gonna use the rest for the top. Put it back, please. We're gonna get some hot water, and we're gonna add to make a bit more of a sauce. Okay. Let's get a bigger spoon because it's easier. So we're gonna mix that, Kayra. So we're making our pizza sauce now. You don't want it too runny. You want a good consistency, so when you spread, you're a bit nicer. Here we go. Is that nice?
Yes.
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
Well done. So now we're gonna start showing you guys how we do it. Oh, actually, Kayra, before we put in there, let's have all our ingredients prepped up. So we're gonna slice the onions. Nice thin slices. Make sure you have
The
adult with you when you're using knives.
Mama, Dad.
Exactly. And also make sure you have a rubber mat or a wet tissue underneath the board so the board doesn't slide. No. Safety first, no?
Let the knife do your work.
Exactly. So we've got our half an onion sliced. We're going to slice some tomatoes in here. Slice this one first. Here we go.
Can I do it by myself?
Yeah, so we want nice thin slices.
Let the knife do your work.
Well done. Okay, we want a little bit bigger cut, like that.
Okay, I'll try and do that by myself.
Yeah, where my finger is. There we go. Wait, wait, wait. Now it gets a bit harder. Let Daddy do this one, because otherwise we just. And then we can do this one. Let's take this top off. Don't need that. No, the bottom is okay. Okay, watch your fingers.
You hold it on.
Yeah. Here we go. Like that.
We only need 2 tomatoes.
So our tomatoes are cut. We forgot the garlic. Oh dear. Okay, then you're gonna do the garlic because it's a little bit harder. The garlic is actually for the pizza sauce.
Really tiny.
So Daddy do this quickly, and then we're gonna add. Wait. We need to chop it very small. Daddy's gonna chop very small, so we can add to the pizza sauce.
Oh, really small.
Yeah, be careful. Watch your fingers. Chop.
Chop, chop.
Well done.
Now.
Okay, you add to the pizza sauce there. Very good.
Can I put the rest?
Good. There we go. You can do it there. And a bit more. Hang on, go a bit more there.
I've got my wet hands.
Okay, so that's all the prep done. We don't need this one anymore. We don't need this anymore. That's all done. So we got our pizza sauce ready. We got our onion slice. You can put peppers if you like. You can use whatever topping you want. Yeah, this will be after, Kayra. You can use whatever topping you like. Okay? So we don't need the knife. We don't need that spoon. So we're fine with that one. So now we're gonna start putting it together. Now we're going to start putting the ingredients together. So first of all, we get the tomato sauce, the pizza sauce. Wait 1 second. We're going to put all of the sauce in the middle, and then we're going to spread around the sauce. So we get an even everywhere, all over the puff pastry. But make sure you leave one finger around the edges, because you will understand why afterwards. So we want to leave one, not too far. So we're gonna leave, tell you what, Kayra, we do like this, yeah? And then make sure you leave one finger, because we need to roll the corners after, okay? So we're gonna spread around, just like that. All the way, everywhere. So make sure, okay, slowly, we don't wanna spread outside. Remember what Daddy said, we need to leave a gap around the corner, Kayra, okay? All we want is in the middle, Don't go too far there. Okay, right? So we're going in there, and then what goes next, Kayra?
Some cheese.
We're gonna put the cheese around. Yeah? So we're gonna get our cheese. We're gonna put the cheese. So we need to sprinkle the cheese everywhere. Wait, let me open. We're gonna sprinkle the cheese everywhere. You can go. Not meant to eat it now. So we sprinkle the cheese everywhere. You like cheese? Not meant to eat it, you're meant to put it in there, silly Billy. Okay, the cheese. Well done. Make sure you got all the spaces, make sure you still got that corner. You'll understand why in a second. So we've got the cheese in there. Okay, and now we're gonna sprinkle our tomatoes and onions, okay? We're gonna help Daddy. We're gonna sprinkle the onions around everywhere.
Sprinkle.
Yeah, open the onions like this, so you can. So whenever we come to eat it, you have the same taste everywhere. Come on, help Daddy. Sprinkle. Look, you need to open like this.
Oh, there's one down.
Okay, we'll clean that after, yeah?
I've got some more cheese.
Okay, so we're gonna put the tomatoes everywhere as well.
Could I?
Yeah, go on.
I'll do all of it, Daddy.
You wanna do all of it?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
You can do the rest.
So I can relax now. Go on.
I know the safe where to put them.
Okay, make sure you leave the corner, remember? Because we need to roll the corner after.
That's good.
You're gonna
My
have
yummy pizza.
a yummy pizza. Okay, and what we're missing now?
Some salami.
Salami. We're gonna use salami today, but you can use any topping you like. Sausage, beef, chicken, anything, no?
And salami.
We like salami.
Yeah, we
Okay,
like
so we're
it.
gonna put salami everywhere. You can do big slices, or if you prefer, you can just shred it around with your fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to shred? There we go. So you can
I
have.
want to have it.
Mhm.
Nobody's sharing. I got some in it. I want to have it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, that'll be enough. That'll be enough. Don't take any more. You eating everything before we even make it. Come on.
I like salami and cheese.
Mhm. So that's our salami done.
And cheese.
So now
And cheese.
comes one of the fun parts. So that you start on this corner, you're gonna start on that corner.
Okay.
So basically, you're gonna get the edge inside, and then we're gonna roll it. So you're gonna make a nice roll around. You see, Kayra?
Uh-huh.
And then you keep going with your fingers like this. So this will help keep everything inside as well.
No.
There you go, and then we're gonna twist, 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 twist. We turn the tray around and twist, 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 twist.
Can I do that edge?
Mm-hmm. You see how that is doing?
Mm-hmm.
Twist, 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 twist,
Twist.
twist, 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 twist. You do that one?
Oh, cheese.
You're picking everything. Come on, look. Twist, 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 twist.
That'll be on here.
Mm-hmm. Twist, 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 twist.
Twist.
Twist, 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 twist.
Lay worm. Twist.
Like a worm, yeah. Like a snake.
Snake. Ooh, I'm
So we're twisting all the edges inside. Kayra, that's how you can do it for me. You can sprinkle some oregano on the top now.
This one.
Uh-huh. So go all up high like this. Like it's raining. There you go.
Like this. Ooh. Ooh. This is going to be my favorite piece.
All right. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay.
Really hungry.
A little bit more here and then we're done. Well done. So now we got a pastry brush, one egg yolk, and we're just gonna wash the edges. So when it comes to cooking, it will give you a nice flavor and it's gonna be a nice golden color. Okay, that's enough, right? Okay, so we're gonna go with the pastry brush like this,
Oh,
dip it in there, and then all you have to do is go around the corners, okay? All around the white bits. Very good.
it's like a paint. We
Like
painted.
painting, yeah.
Painting.
Painting the pizza.
Painted the pizza. I'm painting the pizza. You can't paint the pizza.
Let's turn around. Whoop.
But that's the egg. That's all.
Yeah. Make
That's
sure we got
all the
all the. There we go.
Ooh.
A little bit more there.
Whoa.
Over here. Very good.
Ooh.
Let's turn around again.
Putting all of it in. You have to put just one egg because we can't make
One
two
egg
eggs.
yolk. Yolk. Yolk is the yellow part. White is the white part. Or transparent if you like. Well done. And this is our. Go on. Well done. This is our homemade pizza with a puff pastry base. Now we're gonna get this in the oven because we're all starving and we're gonna have some nice fresh side salad with it, and that's an easy recipe for you guys to try at home. Once this is cooked, which will probably take around 20 minutes at 180 degrees, we'll come back and we'll show you the result. We'll see you in a bit. Hello guys, as you can see, here is our pizza ready for us. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Well done, me too, I'm starving. We've got a nice fresh salad as a side dish. Do you like salad?
Yeah, that was my
You love salad. We always fight for the salad, me and Kayra. It took around 25 minutes to make in the oven, 180 degrees, and easy peasy. As you can see, nice and quick. You can do any topping you want. That's the topping we've done today. We hope you enjoyed the video. We can't wait to share more video with you guys, and we hope you enjoy it. See you later. Say bye-bye.